Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the website builder toolbar at connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to dataczar.com and we're going to go to login. So let's go ahead and log in here. And let's get our username and the password. And that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. We'll go full screen. So from dashboard, we want to go ahead and go to website. This is where the website builder is. This is where you're going to find the toolbar. And you have post, pages, settings, analytics. We're going to be doing a post. And just keep in mind, whether you're doing pages or whether you're doing posts, the website builder is identical on both. So real quick, let's tab over to our website. This is our AAA outdoor scenes. We're just going to add a post down here at the bottom under our latest beautiful rainbows. We're going to add it right down there. So let's just tab back over here. So we're on website. We're on post. Website on the main menu. We're going to create a new post. And title, Santiago Peak. And down here is the toolbar. So this is the toolbar for building your website. And again, it's the same on posts and pages. So the first thing I want to do is you have these buttons here. On the edit button for copy, paste, etc., you need to use Control X for cut, Control C for copy, Control Z for undo, etc. And you can see the tutorial that we did on that. Now insert here, we could go ahead and insert an image. Let's go ahead, we're going to upload an image here. So we hit the insert button, the image, then we're going to go right here to this icon. We're going to upload, choose files, and go here. And the two that we're going to upload are these two right here. So let me just double click on both of those, and we're going to click upload, and it's uploaded that one. It uploaded the second one. They're in my images right now, so I click on my images, and those are the two photos right there. So we're done doing that for the moment. We'll get back to this, and we're just going to X this out. So right here, we're going to go ahead and start typing. We're going to type hiking, let me move that away, Santiago Peak. And let's go ahead and highlight this. And we're going to go green. And right here we're going to go, let's say 18 point on the font. We're going to go bold and italic. And then this is align left, align center. We're going to do that. So those are all those buttons right there. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and go down. And this time, we're going to go, you have format. Format, again, you have bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript. Most of those are on these buttons here. So they're just duplicated. And then you have table. We're going to go ahead and add a table. And we're going to add a two-column table because we're going to upload those two pictures within the table. So let's go here. Right here, my cursor's right here. So let's go ahead and click on the insert image edit icon. Click on the search folder. Go to my images. First one we're going to add is this one of the lovely hiker. And then we're going to go here to this next one. And we're going to just do the same thing. Go to search, my images. We're going to add this one here and hit OK. And then we're going to scroll down. And I just want to make these a little bit bigger, just kind of fill in the empty space there. So that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks great. And right now we're on this image here. So let's go back to table, table properties. We're going to go advanced, and we want to do border, actually advanced, Or maybe it's general. Okay, order style, here it is. We're going to do hidden and OK. So right here, and then right here, I'm on this picture. I'm going to use my down arrow on my keyboard to get past that, and I'm going to click enter and enter again. Okay, let me go down a couple times. There it is. So you hit the down arrow twice. It gets your cursor right there. And then right here, we're going to just type in, let's say, lots of fun. And again, we're going to highlight this. And we're going to go with the green again, the bold, italic. Let's go 18 point. And let's center that again. And we'll go down here. And this picture here, we're just going to bring that up a little bit. And this one, we're going to bring it down a little bit. Okay. And then now we're going to insert a video. So we could insert here media, or we can insert edit image here, or insert edit media here. So let's insert edit media. So what we need to do is we need to go to YouTube. So let's just tab over there. Let's just hit cancel for the moment. We're going to tab over there. We have the Santiago Peak video from the hiking guy. We're going to click the share link right here and click copy. Close that. And we'll go back to the website builder. And then we're going to hit the insert edit media icon right here. And then right here, we're going to do Control V and paste in the link, the URL that we copied, and hit OK. And then that loads the video. And right here too, let's just bring this down a bit, bring that down a bit. And then right here, there's some other buttons here. There's bullets, there's indent, like we could move it right here or move it back to center. This is link, insert, edit link. So if you want to link up a website, you could highlight this. You could hit the link, and then you just type in the URL right here. So for example, we could type in Dataczar.com and link it to our website. So that's just an example. Let's go ahead and cancel that out. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and create this post. And the post has been created. So let's go ahead and go back over to the website. And remember, we're going to add the post right down here. So let's go ahead and refresh the screen. So I'm going to do Control F5. And it should, let me go up here. Let me do one more time, Control F5. There it goes. Okay. Oh, there it is. Santiago Peak right here. It was right up on top. So we're going to go ahead and hit the read more. And then there's the post we just made. We have our hiking Santiago Peak. Lots of fun. There's our video. The video plays. And we're going to go ahead and stop that. And we're going to go back and resize those pictures another time. But I think it looks cool having them like that. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And we're going to go back to the dashboard. And that's it. That's how you use the website builder toolbar at Dataczar Connect.